Welcome to Tisam Mathematics. In this video, I'm going to look at arithmetic operation on negative characteristic. So for example, when we have these values, this negative characteristic 2 bar point 0321 plus 3 bar point 1127. Okay, let's first use calculator to compute them. See, the calculator has no bar, so you have to make it minus 2.0321 plus minus 3.1127. Now the answer is, let's turn it, that's, we are getting minus, write it down, minus 5.1448. That's minus 5.1448. This is the value that we got when we use the calculator. So let's use the normal addition and see if you get a different one. So 2 bar point 0321 plus 3 bar point 1127. Let's add them. 1 plus 7 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 1 is also 4. 0 plus 1 is 1. And then 2 bar plus 3 bar. This is 5 bar. Yes, even though the values seems to be the same, but in logarithm they are not the same. This is the actual value, minus 5.1448, and this is 5 bar. Now this 5 bar here indicates the number of times the decimal point is moved. Yes, but this is a value. So that's why we don't prefer, or we don't ask students to use calculator when they have negative characteristic. You may not have the bigger picture. That is the first one. And let's look at the second one. Subtraction. So 3 bar point 134 minus 2.4142. So let's perform the operation. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 4, we need to go and borrow. We borrow 1 here. So 1 plus 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. Now what is left here is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So this one is less than this number, so we borrow. Even though this is owing, so we need to force it to borrow. So we borrow 1, so making 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. And then because we have borrowed 1 from my 3 bar, it will be minus 4 bar, minus 4 minus 2. So we are getting 6 bar point 702. So I want us to use the calculator and check if you get the same thing. So minus 3.1234 minus 2.414. Check the answer. Here the answer, the calculator answer is minus 5.5376, and then the minus 5.5376. This is what we had from the calculator. So when we did it manually, this is what, and this is the correct answer. So that's why we are asking students not to use calculator when it comes to negative characteristic. So this is the correct one. You do it manually like this. And let's come to multiplication. So 2 bar point 0115 times 2. So we use the normal multiplication. 2 times 5, that's 10, 1. 2 times 2 is 2 plus 1, 3. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 0.2 times 2 bar, which will be 4 bar. Yes, that is how we multiply negative characteristic. So let's look at the division. 4 part. 3 bar 0.9621 divided by 2. Now to divide this, once again, if you use the calculator, you get different answer. So let's rewrite this as 3 bar 0.9621 over 2. We then split this, the characteristic and then the mantissa. So 3 bar plus 0.9621 on 2. Now listen, the characteristic here is 3 bar. So what you do is, the denominator is 2. You need to rewrite this so that the characteristic will be divisible by 2, or the denominator. Now the characteristic here is 3 bar. So what should we add to this so that it becomes divisible by 2? So we can add 1. So let's add 1. 3 bar plus 1 bar. Now because we have added 1 bar, we need to add 1 plus 0.9621 on 2. So that we have 3 bar plus 1 bar is 4 bar. Then we add this to this. So 1.9621 on 2. So we have 4 bar over 2. We are splitting them to 1.9621 on 2. With this, we can use the calculator. So this can give us 2 bar plus. So let's make use of the calculator. So 1.9621 divided by 2. Got it. Now it's 4 decimal places. So 9811. So 0.9811. Then you put them together. 2 bar 0.9811. So care must be taken when you have a negative characteristic. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this. If you like this video and you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be alerted.